everybody, it's Tammy with On Point Accents and Designs. Today I'm going to use HTV on a wood round. I have painted the wood round. I got this from Amazon. I'll link them below. This is what they look like when you get them. This plain wood. It is kind of thick, nice, sturdy. So what I did was painted the round with white chalk paint. Then I drew lines to kind of look like shiplap. And then I coated the edges with a gray paint to give it a rustic look. So we're going to apply HTV to the wood today. Okay, so I'm using this Made HTV. They did send this to me a while back. And I've done other videos with it, but that's what we're using today. And I have a piece of parchment paper that we're going to use when we press it. And we'll go ahead and weed the design. It is kind of a complex design to weed, so let's get to weeding. So what we're doing is a Highland cow design on this wood round. And I'm going to put this on my fireplace because I haven't taken down my Easter stuff yet. So as soon as we get this done, I will put that up there. Figuring out what has to be weeded. Okay, so we've got it all weeded. Here it is. I got this off of Cricut Design Space, so if you have that, the Cricut Access, it's on there for free. You could go ahead and use this file. I think it's really cute. It's a Highland cow, and they are very popular right now. So, and then the high. So we're gonna go ahead and put that on the side. Let me see where I want it. Make sure my sign is straight. So I'm using the Made HTV, and you're supposed to do 260 for like 20 seconds, and it is a warm peel. But when you're doing wood, you don't want to over press because the glue that's on this will leak out onto your project. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this down where I want it. So I want it right there. That looks good. What is that? Just 1 second, guys. Okay. All right. So that looks good. Make sure it's straight. All right. I think I like it right there. And you don't have to use anything on top of it, and I'm going to use my Cricut mini press, which it won't cover this whole design, so we'll just do it, and then should I use this or should I get my other? I guess I'll just use this. Okay, so we're just gonna put it down, and you do not want to like move it around like an iron. Just hold it in place. I have a bigger handheld press over there, and I could do it on my actual heat press. We'll do this. All right, so we've got the bottom part. We're gonna go up and get the horns or whatever you call them. Try not to overlap this part too much because you don't want a lot of heat on this. And then I'm just gonna move over here. I didn't even do it for the full 20 seconds there because you just don't want a lot of heat. All right. I think that's done, so we'll check it. I think it's gonna be really cute. Yeah. Oh. So maybe a spot I missed. Let's go back over. Just avoid overheating. Okay. And I love the sound it makes when you pull this off. What is it? ASMR. Okay, looks so cute. So far, it looks adorable. All right, so then we're gonna put the hi. And I think we'll put that right. Yeah, like right there. That'll look cute. Now you wanna cover up, hold on just 1 second. All right, so we got that on there, but you wanna cover this up because you do not wanna put your press down on this because then it would melt that. So that's actually why I had this over here in the first place. I'm gonna cover up my design and we'll go ahead for 20 seconds. And I love using HTV on wood. I do it all the time for wood signs. It lasts forever. And frankly, I hate to mask vinyl. Vinyl can be a pain in the butt, and I'd much rather work with HTV. All right, I think we're done. So pull that off. And yep, it's on there great. So you guys, this looks so cute. Look at that. I love it. And this is the Made HTV. You can use any kind of HTV you want. And it's on there. It's not going anywhere. I don't think you need to press anymore because like I said, if you press too much, the glue will start oozing out. I have a sign that I did that on. I should show you. But this looks so cute. You'll see in the video where I painted this round. And then I put the little lines in kind of like shiplap. And then I just went around the edges. And then I got this from Cricut. So that's a free design. I didn't pay for any of this. And I got that from Cricut. And it looks great. It's a fun, quick, easy project. And I like it a lot. So now that we've finished our cute sign, look at it. I love it. It's so cute. These Highland cows are really popular right now. So if you sell things, you could really sell these. This is a very thick piece of wood, nice wood that I got from Amazon. I'll link it below. And I think this is a 12 by 12. And then I have just made a cute little layered bow that we're gonna staple on. Isn't that adorable? Right up here in the little corner. Let me show you. Right up there. I know you can't see that well because I moved the camera. But I'm not really doing much right now. Just putting the bow on, finishing it up. So if you are going to do craft shows, if you're going to just sell in your area, Highland cows are very popular right now. I think that'd be a great idea to sell for right now. And I actually have been selling not Highland cows, but just cow card thingies. What do you call them? Like card charms, I guess you would call it. Like out of the wazoo. So anything cows got to sell right now. But these Highland cows especially. All right. So we stapled it on. See that? It's on. Looks so cute. And then we're just going to kind of spruce out our bow here. I've got it just layered all different colors of the ribbon, and I even have a cow ribbon in here that I got from Amazon. I love, see this, I got like several different sizes, and I'm using all of these really to go on my card charms, my cow card charms. So if you guys are selling, cows are it. And I just tied a little bow at the top to just finish it off. Looks great. There it is. There's the finished product. What do you think? I love it, and it's all HTV. You could have used vinyl. Also, vinyl's going to stick well. Like I said, I just don't like to have to mask it, and working with it's a pain. I use some of it. I like it sometimes, but not on signs really. But if you wanted to use it as stencil material and then paint this out, that'd be a good idea too. I think this little project turned out great, and I had fun making it. So hope you have a great day. Thanks for stopping by, and happy crafting.